Yes, I'm His Royal Highness King Air Commodore Ogub, retired JP, Distinguished Service Star, and Fellow of Defense College, the Amayanabo and Supreme Monarch of Kirike Kingdom in the Kirike local government area.
Your Highness, your colleagues came for a solidarity visit.
Yes, yes,
To reassure him
yes,
they are solidly behind him.
yes.
How do you feel?
We, the royal fathers, came in to show our unwavering determination to support His Excellency for keeping the peace, for conducting the last local government elections that were peaceful and credible. We commended him for his efforts at keeping peace. You know, we, the royal fathers, we are the custodians of peace, culture, and tradition. If there is no peace, there will be no development and progress. Since the elections were conducted in a peaceful manner, we deemed it fit to visit His Excellency to ensure that we have the resolve to keep the peace in our various span of control. We want to show our unalloyed support for him because he has brought the needed infrastructural development that comes after peaceful environments. So we came in to thank him and appreciate him. I will also pray to the Almighty God to grant him the necessary wisdom, protection, and God will bless him richly in order to move the state forwards.